Welcome back, my friends, to another job lead video. We are kicking off the weekend with 3 data entry / non-phone jobs that are currently hiring work from home. Now, do note that data entry, true data entry, and non-phone work is very popular, and these jobs do go fast. So if you see a position that you are interested in, you might want to put your application in ASAP. So let's just dive on in so you can get your weekend started. First up, we have the company FirstSource, and they are hiring for data entry. And this is like true data entry. It says the data entry operator is a entry-level position which is production-oriented. Individuals are responsible for the introduction of data into the system, which is then provided to the client for use in their internal adjudication system. So foundation knowledge, skills, and abilities required. To perform this job successfully, you must be able to perform each essential duty satisfactorily. The requirements listed below for the representative are the skills. And those requirements are you need to be able to enter data from scanned and/or processed documents into the data capture system. You need to meet expected hourly production volume goals, and you need to be able to maintain quality levels above the minimums that are set by management, and you need to be able to increase your speed and difficulty of tasks as expected with training and practice. So they understand that you may start out slow, but practice makes perfect, and they want you to continue to increase your speed until you get up to where they want you to be. Now, additional responsibilities for this job are that you need to maintain awareness and actively participate in their compliance program. You need to maintain a neat and orderly workstation. You need to assist others with projects if you are assigned by management. You need to have excellent attendance. They expect you to show up for work. You need to be comfortable working in a production environment. And as far as typing skills, they are asking for 35 words per minute with a 98% accuracy. And it says a test will be required to test your typing speed, and that you need to have organizational skills and reliability. Now, this does require a high school diploma or equivalent, but does not require any type of college degree. And it says you must be able to sit and work for extended periods of time. The location is listed as remote work from home, and unfortunately, there is no salary or hourly pay listed for this position. You would have to ask them. Next up, the same company, FirstSource, is also hiring a claims examiner. And I thought this position was kind of cool, so let's just go through it. They are saying due to continued growth, they're looking for results-oriented claims analysts to join their team. In this position, you will enjoy an independent and teamwork oriented environment. You'll be provided with the process, training, and support that will enable you to succeed through your career if you're in the market for a rewarding and profitable career in claims examiner. So if you want to get started in claims, this is the perfect place to get your foot in the door. So not only do they offer paid training, but you are paid by the claim, and it says matrix pay can average between $13.50 up to $15.50 per hour upon training completion. Now, I work in the healthcare field and we get paid a straight hourly rate, but some claims that we collect on, it depends on what kind of claims they are billing. Some claims we collect on inpatient hospitalization, people in the ICU, things like that. I don't know if this is healthcare or a different kind of claims, but some claims can get very expensive. And if you are getting a commission on everything you collect by processing the claim, I don't know if they cap their pay, but I just thought that was very neat. It's a different way of getting paid, and I just find it very cool. They do offer flexible schedules, and then they do offer a compensation package that includes medical, dental, 401k plan, paid time off, and paid holidays. So as far as the qualifications for this, it's not much. You have to have a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. Health claims processing experience is a plus but not required. So this is healthcare claims. And it says knowledge in the following is a plus but not required. And so that's like medical terminology, ICD-9, CPT codes, HIPAA regulations if you're in the healthcare field. They ask for basic mathematical skills and intermediate typing skills. And again, this is a remote position. And our third and final data entry job is for Vision Government Solutions. They are looking for a data entry clerk remote. Now, there are some caveats to this job, but what they are looking for is someone to input data from property cards into their software system. So this again is true data entry, verifying accuracy of data input into the computer system, preparing data for computer entry and sorting, maintaining operations by following policies and procedures, maintaining customer confidence, contributing to the team. You may be required occasionally to contact homeowners to schedule an appointments for data collection if they don't provide all the data needed. And so you need to maintain a friendly position and demeanor. Now, this is a temporary position. That's one caveat. It's only from April to September. The pay is $16 to $18 an hour. The other caveat is they do require a 1-month training. They do pay you for training, but they require you to come on site to their Hudson headquarters to get training. So for $18 an hour to sit at home for the rest of the year and through September would be good if you can manage traveling and being away for 1 month. I know some of us cannot. I have a family with children and would not be able to do this. But if this is something you could swing, this might be a great position while you are looking for other positions. All right, and there you have 3 data entry non-phone jobs that are currently hiring right now. Get those applications in if any of these interest you, and make sure you are subscribed because I post fresh job leads daily. So if you have anything that you are specifically looking for, leave them in the comments and I will be on the lookout. I hope everyone enjoys your weekend. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.